Hello and welcome to my channel Yalla Fun TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are here with another very beautiful and interesting episode for you guys that we are doing on this or regular basis, and we have lots of things. As you can see, we have today Captain America and along with some dinosaur, Hulk, cell phone, and of course we bring guns every day for you, but these are the plastic toys just for fun. So let's start our video. First of all, we will collect all these things. So you are watching this construction machine, the dump truck, this military ship, and along with this military knife. And here is the Captain America. We lifted him, and that's a hand grenade, and we are now collecting the military tank. Wow, that's a tricycle rickshaw, popular in Asia, and that's a T-Rex. Wow, that's incredible thing. And these are the PJ mask things we have today, and that's a phone, and we have this rocket launcher, and we have this shotgun. That's the big mighty plastic toy shotgun, and that's a sports car, very fancy, and this one is Hulk from Avengers Endgame. That's a heavy bike, sports bike, and this one is binocular along with a pocket gun, a cowboy gun, small cowboy gun, and that's a sniper rifle. And I think we have collected all the things, so let's rock and roll. Yalla 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 guys, and we are here for watch these things. So that is the most interesting part. Watch video till end, and here we go. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys, and that is our Hulk. Oh my god, Hulk is green. Hulk is green and Hulk is clean. Here we go. What we have next? That's a sniper gun. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. Sniper gun is being washed, and that's a camouflage series sniper gun. Wow, that is so cool gun. Bang bang bang. Here we go. That's a sniper gun. Cool guys. That's a army pattern camouflage sniper gun.
Whoa.
And what we have next? The next one is shotgun. Wow, let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. And sniper gun after we are washing the shotgun. And here we go. The shotgun is clean. Wow, yalla 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 guys. Bang. That's a cool thing. Shotgun. And the next one we have is rocket launcher. Oh my god. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. The rocket launcher is clean. Oh my god. That is awesome. Boom. That is mighty hilarious thing. I hope you like it. Let's check out what we have next. And next one is a sports car. Wow, that's a cool thing. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's Lamborghini sports car, my favorite. Oh my god, just look at the shape. Sports car. Here we go. And the next one is a phone. Let's watch him. Let's yalla 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 guys. Here we go. That's a cell phone. Wow, that is cool.
बैटरी, एंटेना, बेल क्लिप एंड हैंड स्ट्रिप, और इसके बैक साइड में हमें मिलता है हेडफोन लगाने का सिस्टम.
What we have next? And we have next the T-Rex. Let's wash him. Let's yalla 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 guys. T-Rex is gonna be washed, and here we go. Tyrannosaurus Rex is clean, and that is also green. Wow. T-Rex. Cool guys. And the next one we have is a military tank. Let's wash him. Let's yalla guys. That is so much muddy. Let's wash him. You can see the watercolor. And here we go. The military tank is clean. Wow. Awesome guys. Bang, bang, bang.
Hey, you don't even have to move your feet. Just shake your thing like I see you move. Now spin around and feel the groove.
Let's try it.
What we have next in line? We have a dump truck. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. That's a big construction machine, the dump truck. Here we go. That is awesome guy. The dump truck is being clean. Wow. That is awesome. Dump truck.
Give me the yeah.
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is hand grenade. Wow, that's a mighty dangerous thing, but no worries. These are just a plastic toy. Here we go. Hand grenade. Boom. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is binocular. Wow, that's a cool thing. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. Binocular is clean. Wow, that is cool. And the next one we have is Captain America, your favorite from Avengers endgame. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. That's Captain America mask. Wow, cool guys. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is sports bike. Let's yalla guys. That is cool. Sports bike. Wow guys.
और स्कूटी देखो, ये कहाँ कम है। देख रहे हो कैसे लोटंकी छांट रही है। नहीं मतलब सही में यार, या तो चल ले या तो कम।
Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have is Cowboy gun. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. That's a cool small cowboy pistol. Here we go. It's clean. Wow. Bang, bang, bang. That is cool. What we have next? The next one we have is a military knife. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. Here we go. That's a cool military knife. Wow, just look at the design. I just love this knife.
Bloqueo, paso por abajo y eres... no. Cruz.
Let's check out the next one. What we have, and that's a rickshaw, tricycle, which is very famous in Asia. Let's watch him. Let's yalla guys. And here we go. Our tricycle rickshaw is clean. Wow, that is cool thing here in Asia. I hope you like it. And this is it from today. We clean all the things. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. And thank you so much for watching the show. Have a great day, friends. Take care. Bye bye.